So these upload tools are available in the tools menu here on the left-hand side. So if I click on that, it gives you a list of all the upload tools. So there's three that sort of come standard in the system: product upload, customer upload, and vendor upload. But then we do custom ones as well, like uploading of orders, uploading of RFQs, freight rates. There's pretty much anything you want to upload in bulk, the opportunity is there. But this, let's just to show an example here. Let's look at the product upload one here. So you can upload up to 2,000 products at a time, and you can do them through a spreadsheet or directly like in this grid view, right? So the only actual field that's required is this first column, which is product ID. And then every field available for products appears in these different columns. And if you want to push it out to Excel, so if you just want to manage it in the grid, you can do that. And then you click done, and then it uploads everything in the grid. If you see situations where the first row here that's in blue, this is a way to specify the value that you want for all the rows. So for example, if you wanted to upload a bunch of products, but you didn't want those products to be listed as active, for example, you just set active to no, and then boom, it sets every product in the list inactive. And that's true even with text fields too, not just the drop-down list. Anything you put in that top row, it's going to apply to all the products. But let's say we want to do this from an Excel spreadsheet. You click on this big button in the middle here, download data in Excel. I'll select that. Then it's going to load an Excel template. And the key is this template, you can copy and paste data in here, but the one thing you can't do is modify the column order. Column order has to remain, or else you get an error message. You can change the sizing on the columns, but you can't adjust the order in any way. So let's say blue pen and red pen, as an example. And as I said, you can copy and paste in here, where you can type directly in the Excel spreadsheet. And then I'm just going to exit out. When I do that, it's automatically saving a copy of that into my downloads folder. So when you come back into the system, you go into downloads, and it's the top one in the download folder. I'll click it, and then the screen flashes, and then it loads everything that was just in the Excel spreadsheet, now loads in the grid. So, and now it's the same way. If I want to make additional edits, I can do that here, but it's not going to save, or it's not going to upload until I click this done button. So when you click the done button, it runs a check. Like in this case, since we're doing products, it's going to check and let you know if any of those products already exist. If so, it'll make whatever changes you made there based on the product ID. It's going to look for a matching product ID. If it sees changes, it'll make those changes. And if it doesn't recognize the product ID, then it will add a new product and fill in all the details about that product that you've specified. And then you get a message on top letting you know everything that it just did.